Hey, how's it going, guys? It's me, Chris, again, and today we have a 2017 Mazda 6 maintenance light reset. We are going to use this screen right here and these button over here, down here at the shift knob. Go ahead and turn on your car without starting. If you're not on this page, press the home to get to this page, and after you do that, go ahead and use the scroller and press home and use the scroller. I can't scroll. Why? What happened? What's going on? What's going on? I can't scroll. Oh, there you go. Something happened that I cannot scroll. Okay, you go ahead and use the scroller, this scroller right here, and go ahead and scroll to application. Press enter. The enter button is also the scroller. Okay, now scroll down to vehicle status monitor. Enter on that. Scroll down to maintenance. Enter on that. Scroll down to oil change. Enter on that. Scroll down to reset. Enter on that. And scroll to reset. Enter on that. Guys, make sure you don't forget to click the like. Thank you for watching. I'll see you next time. Bye bye.